Understanding hair treatment. A guide to healthy hair. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a common phrase in the beauty and health world, hair treatment. We'll explore what it means, why it's important, and various types of hair treatments. Whether you're looking to enhance your vocabulary or just curious about hair care, this video is for you. Hair treatment refers to a variety of procedures or products used to improve the health, appearance, and texture of hair. Unlike regular hair care routines like shampooing and conditioning, treatments are more specialized and targeted. They can be done at home or by professionals in salons. The goal is to address specific hair issues like dryness, damage, frizziness, or thinning. Moisturizing treatments. These are designed to hydrate and nourish dry, brittle hair. Ingredients like oils, butters, and deep conditioners play a key role. Protein treatments. Ideal for strengthening weak or damaged hair. They replenish protein lost due to styling, coloring, or environmental factors. Scalp treatments. Focused on the health of the scalp. These treatments can help with issues like dandruff, oiliness, or hair loss. Color-enhancing treatments. Used to brighten, maintain, or change hair color. They range from temporary color masks to toning treatments. The key to effective hair treatment is knowing your hair type and concerns. Here are a few tips. Dry or damaged hair. Look for moisturizing or protein treatments. Fine or thinning hair. Volumizing or strengthening treatments can help. Colored hair. Use treatments designed for color-treated hair to prevent fading. While many treatments can be done at home, some require professional expertise, especially for complex issues. DIY treatments are great for regular maintenance, but for significant hair concerns, a professional's advice and treatment can be more effective. We hope this video has shed light on the world of hair treatments. Remember, the right hair care can make a big difference in your hair's health and appearance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content.